Friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Abdul Khaled from Life Preparatory School. I hope you all are well and safe by the grace of Allah. Students, last class I have discussed about multiples and factors of page number 85. Today I will discuss about page number 72, number 3 and page number 85 and 86. Dear students, open your book, page number page number 72, number 3, page number 72, number 3. Put such an operational sign in the blank boxes so the obtained statement is true. Operational sign, everybody, we already have discussed about operational sign. Operational sign are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, look at the picture. Number one, 69 box 13 equal to 7 box 8. If we verify operational sign plus, minus, multiplication and division for the left hand side and right hand side, if which operation will be matching this, then this symbol will be in the box. Number one, operation sign at first addition, left hand side 69 box 13. So at first addition 69 plus 13 equal to 82, and right hand side 7 plus 8 equal to 15. 82 and 15 are not same or equal, so we verify by subtraction. So left hand side 69 minus 13 equal to 56, and right hand side 7 minus 8 equal to minus 1. So it is not equal. So another operational sign is multiplication. Left hand side 69 multiplied by 13 equal to 897, and right hand side 7 multiplied by 8 equal to 56. Right hand side 56, it is 7 multiplied by 8, and left hand side 56 is 69 minus 13. So this left hand side is subtraction and right hand side is multiplication is equal, 56 and 56. So we put in this box 69 minus 13 and 7 multiplied by 8. This is the equal 56 and 56. Number 2, 58 box 29 equal to 96 box 9. Operation sign for addition, left hand side 58 plus 29 equal to 87, and right hand side addition 96 plus 9 equal to 105. Next one, subtraction, 58 minus 29 equal to 29, and right hand side 96 minus 9 equal to 87. Left hand side we see that addition 58 plus 29 equal to 87, and right hand side subtraction 96 minus 9 equal to 87. So 87 and 87 are equal when left hand side is addition and right hand side is subtraction. So we put this addition and right hand side is subtraction. 58 in the box is addition plus 29, and 96 is the subtraction is 9. Okay, everybody, in the book number 3, 8 box 5 equal to 1200 box 30. Okay, number 3, look at the picture. Operational sign addition. Okay, left hand side 8 plus 5 equal to 13, and right hand side 1200 plus 30 equal to 1230. Okay, for subtraction 8 minus 5 equal to 3, and right hand side 1200 minus 30 equal to 1170. So addition 13 and 1200 are not equal, and for subtraction 3 and 1170 are not equal. So we verify for multiplication, operation sign multiplication. Left hand side 8 multiplied by 5 equal to 40, and right hand side 1200 multiplied by 30 equal to 36,000. So there is no similarity between 40 and 36,000. So another symbol, division. Left hand side 8 divided by 5 equal to 8 by 5 on whole 3 by 5, and right hand side 1200 divided by 30 equal to 40. 3 4 the 12, that means 40. Here left hand side for multiplication equal to 40, and right hand side for division equal to 40. So we can write 8 multiplied by 5 equal to 12 divided by 30. So answer will be multiplication left hand side, and right hand side is division. Okay everybody, last one, 87 box 38 equal to 7 box 7. You will try at home. Now everybody, you know, now we have last class we have completed 85 pages. So open your book, students. Page number 85 we have completed number 4, and now we will do number 5. Find the least common multiple, LCM, and highest common factors for each. That means you have to find out at first LCM and again HCF for these three numbers. Okay, number one, before we have find out LCM and HCF separately. Now for these three numbers you have to find out LCM and HCF. At first, if we find out LCM for these numbers 8, 12 and 24, number 1 8, 12 and 24. Okay, at first we do for LCM. So you have to find out multiples of 8, 12 and 24. Okay, multiples of 8 equal to 8 on the 8, 8 to the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40, 8 6 the 48, then 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 104, 112, 120 and many other modes. Then multiples of 12, 12 on the 12, 12 to the 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 4 are 48, 12 6 are 60, 12 7 are 12 7 are 12, 6 are 72 and many other modes. And multiples of 24, 24 on the 24, 24 the 48, 24 3 are 72 dot dot. Now you have to find out the common multiples of these three numbers. At first you think which multiples are common. Okay students, which multiples are common? 24, 24, 48, 48, 72 and 72. So common multiples of 8, 12 and 24 equal to 24, 48 and 72. And therefore LCM equal to 24, because this from these three common multiples 24 is the lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple mean LCM, and so LCM is 24. Again we find out the HCF of these three numbers. All factors of 8 equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8, and all factors of 12 equal to 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and all factors of 24 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Therefore, all the common factors of 8, 12 and 24 equal to 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 4. Look at the common factors of 8, 12 and 24 is equal to 1, 2, 4. And these common among these common factors, 4 is the highest common factor. 4 is the highest. So here HCF equal to 4. Students, now number 7. Find multiples of 2, 3 and 5 among numbers in the box. Given here 248, 339, 121, 515, etc. You have to find out the multiples of 2, multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. How can we know who is on is multiple of 2, who is on is multiple of 3 and who is on of multiple of 5? For this, okay, look at the book, page number 84. Page number 84. Divisibility of 2, 3 and 5. Divisibility mean which number is divisible by 2 and which number is divisible by 3 and which numbers are divisible by 5. Okay. Number 1, find the numbers which are divisible by 2. Firstly, let's predict it, then do division to check it. Okay, how can we know which one is divisible by 2? Given here rules, if there is a 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place, the number is a multiple of 2, so they are divisible by 2. That means 224. There is a 4 is ones place, 6 is ones place, so 224 is divisible by 2, and 1146 is divisible by 2. Again, multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, if the sum of the digit of each place is a multiple of 3 and the number is a multiple of 3, so it is divisible by. Okay students, example 321 equal to if the digits of the number is added 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6. 6 is divisible by divided by 3 equal to 2, so it is a multiple of 3. Here 6 is divisible by 3, so 321 is a multiple of 3. Next one, divisibility by 5. If there is a 0 or 5 in the ones place, those numbers are a multiple of 5. Example 10, 25, 40, 600 are divisible by 5 or multiple of 5, because the ones place 10's ones place is 0, and in 25 ones place is 5, in 40 ones place is 0, in 600 on place is 0, so all numbers are multiple of 5. Uh, 2 plus 4 plus last ones place is 8. 8 is divisible by 2, so it is a multiple of 2. These numbers are multiple of 2 and multiples of 3. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 9 15. 15 is divided by 3, so it is multiple of 3. 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so it is multiple of 3. 5 plus 5 plus 5 15. 15 is divisible by 3, so it is multiple of 3, and these two numbers are multiple of 3 and multiples of 5. Last one is 5. Ones place is 5. Okay, a multiple of 5. Last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5 or multiple of 5. 460. Last ones place is 0, so it is divisible by 5, or it is multiple of 5, and this is 5 and 0, and last digit is 5, so all these numbers are multiple of 5. Okay, page number 86. Page number 86. Question number 1. Question number 1. This is an odd problem. There are two bells. Bell rings every 8 minutes and bell rings every 6 minutes. The bells ring together at noon. When is the next time they will ring together? Okay. For this math, we have to find out at first the LCM of bell A and bell B. Okay. When we find out the LCM of these numbers, then this time they will ring together. How can we solve it? And given here, the bell rings together at noon. At noon mean 12 p.m. And when is the next time they will ring together? Next time mean 12 after noon, when they will ring together. So at first you have to find out the LCM of these numbers. Okay, number 8. How can we do it? Look at the picture. Bell A and bell B ring together will be the LCM of 8 minutes and 6 minutes. Okay, now LCM 8 and 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Now LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3, 2 4s are 8, 8 multiplied by 3 equal to 24. So we can tell that after 24 minutes they will ring together. Now this is they will ring together at noon. At noon mean 12 p.m. The next time, therefore the next time they will ring together 12 p.m. plus 24 minutes. Now 12 plus 00 and 24 p.m. 12:24 p.m. So we can say that the next time they will ring together after again 12:24 p.m. Okay. Next class I will solve next 3 maths, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, you will practice more and more. Be safe from the coronavirus.